If your child is not statemented, they can still go through the formal review process that would be flagged up from school. If you're worried about your child not going through a formal review process, your first point of call is to contact the school, and each school has a SENCO, Special Educational Needs Coordinator, and they would be able then to refer to different agencies. Careers Wales would be able to support that young person and parents if need to as well. So if anyone wants to get in touch with us, we're available on 0800 028 4844, or they can go through our website, which is www.careerswales.com.